Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to create a combination bar and line chart using SAC. This is the demo of the chart we'll create. Let's see how to build it in the system. First of all, let's review our data model. Our model contains 3 dimensions: version, date, and company. We have 3 measures: actual revenue, target revenue, and a calculated measure which is sales achievement rate. It equals actual revenue divided by target revenue. See how to create the chart using this model. Create a new page. Drag the chart component to our canvas. In the chart type selector, choose combination bar and line chart. For the column axis, select actual revenue and target revenue. For the line axis, select sales achievement rate. For dimension part, choose company. Okay, let's preview the result. Here's our chart. The x-axis shows companies, which are the dimension we selected. The y-axis has 2 parts. The first part is bar charts, which displays actual and target revenue. The line chart shows sales achievement rate. Now you can see we easily created a combined bar and line chart. It's a commonly used visualization tool, which is often used to track sales performance for companies or products. This is all for this video. Thanks for watching.